I just got a 101 U-shaped boneless couch, and this thing is crazy. This shows up in a couple small cylinders that you can carry up easily into an apartment or room or a flight of stairs, and all you gotta do is cut it open and, well, I'll just show you the rest. So as I cut this open, you guys can see how quickly this will roll itself out. It's actually really satisfying to be able to see this form. I ended up getting this amazing orange color. Now I'm gonna let this sit out for 96 hours and I'll check back with you guys later. All right, so we finally got this laid all the way out and it's been 96 hours and this is looking fantastic. So this has over 9 inches of foam going all the way throughout each cushion, making this so dang comfortable. And guys, look at this. This comes with 5 pillows. They're really nice to just throw behind you and have a little bit of support. I cannot believe this 101-inch U-shaped sectional showed up in 2 boxes. That blows my mind. And when you cut that open, it is so satisfying to watch that expand. This material is going to be made with a velvet material that resists odors, stains, and scratches. Now, all you got to do to hang out is just kick back, relax. This fits up to 3 people for this U-shaped sectional, but you can also set this up in so many different ways. I love how wide the armrests are because you can put a laptop here. I even find myself putting like a drink here just to hold it because it's completely flat. As long as you don't knock it around too much, it'll actually hold that really nice. Maybe like a bowl of chips, some snacks, but definitely a laptop here, typing away. You can make this into an L as well. So this does come advertised as the U, but check this out. Now, just a quick slide and shuffle around, and this is a nice L couch. My legs don't even go that long, so you can have a ton of people hanging out on this couch. If I'm sitting here, you could have somebody sitting on that spot here and here, so you could sit 4, 5, 6, and I'm gonna show you in a minute how many different ways that you can actually set this up because it blows my mind. And that is exactly what makes these modular couches so great. Man, this thing is so comfortable. As we've been waiting for this to fully expand, me and my wife have already been kicking back, relaxing, eating dinner here, snacks, watching movies, TV shows, and this has been a game changer for us. The cool thing is you can actually change this into a love seat and a triple seat. And just like that, I just changed the whole look of my room. And lastly, I'm gonna show you what I like to call the kids' paradise. You can also lay everything out completely flat and make this into just like a cool chill pad for you and your friends. If you have kids, you can make this into a fort, have them jumping around on here. And then at the end of the day, you can put it back to something like this and make it look so elegant and nice that you have no idea that this was just down as a bed. There is literally so much padding on here. And on the bottom of these surfaces, you're gonna have a grippy material on here. So it does stay on top of the fabric as well as sticking to the floor. So you're gonna make sure that these are gonna be nice and grippy and stay in the right spot. So at the end of the day, if you're looking for a cloud couch that is gonna look amazing and be very functional and sit a ton of people, this is definitely the one that I recommend. It's gonna be great for kids, family, friends, hanging out, watching movies. It's so versatile, and I give this a 10 out of 10. Thanks for watching. Add this to your cart, and I'll see you guys in the next video.